sad because my father don't give me to play the soccer. I'm very sad
Why are you sad? Why are you sad about your dad and playing soccer?
because I very like soccer, but my father don't give me to play soccer. And on Saturday, my school start to play soccer, but my father don't give me to play that. I'm very sad.
Oh, I see why you're sad. Why won't your father let you play soccer on your school's team?
Because on Saturday I have two subjects to study, but
Oh, so you have to study on Saturdays and your father doesn't want you to miss your study class for soccer?
yes. And today I will talk about my boat.
What's your bolt? I'm super curious.
My boat is very small, but it's very beautiful. And do you have your boat?
I don't have a boat, sadly. It sounds like yours is very beautiful. Do you mean boots I wear on my feet?
My boat is good, but I sometimes use my boat.
How often do you use your boat? If I had a boat, I would use it all the time.
I sometimes use my boat. When I go to the ocean, I use my boat.
I see. It's nice that you have a boat to go in the ocean. Where is the ocean that you go to?
I go to the ocean and I'm very tired here. Yes, 10 46 o'clock now. Okay, thank you and see you later.